whiskey 70. Anything possible in you. This is you. Anything possible here in Uganda. But I'm there, but nobody think to know about it. In Rwanda, because it's not here. Bloody miles from the commander. Sapro, Lori Pasel. Bro.
Entertainment, bloody miles. You can call me Winnie King. Into I will be the Tura. I will be in the Tura, I will be in the Baloo, I will be the Tura. Tura, I never put the Tura. I never put the Tura. If we can never do it, I will the Tura. Keep you on kidding, keep you kidding, keep you on kidding, Tura. You could have get a boy, keep you on your better boy, keep you on get a boy, Tura. I'm a little better kitty, I'm better on top for the kitty. Let's be together so we can be like Offset and Cardi B. If I like traveling, we can go to Toronto. We'll be crying out of shopping. What we tell them when they get it on the fire. I will be running on the car. What you tell them when they get it on the boy. Genuine night to move on. Time we to run. I will be right to run. I will be in the Kura, I will be in the Baloo, I will be the Victoria.
I love you. I love you. Bloody mice, you're doing a good job, man. Respect what you say, man. Thank you for coming over. Of course, we're taking away my room, Madam Pilari. Anyway, to come this performance, I know they want to perform their new songs, alright? But then now we also want to try and fight it out, like the timing, okay? But then we're around the way we're going. Come on, man. The other team will talk a bit quick. Come on, go. Yes, let's welcome one more artist. This guy is also new in the game, but his song is nice and he's always flexible. Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Dancer! Let's go! Ready for this? Ready for this? From my boy Party Mix. We are dripping, we are dripping non-stop. In a party mode, baby girl, we are dripping non-stop. Dripping. Robert! In mana, life we are there. Let go now run to the dance. Mommy now run to the dance. Party mommy, shake feet at it. Me let go with your body shape like Coca-Cola. Get some Buddha, Buddha Marula. Can I get up? Cause you're gonna pay Maru soda. Hi mommy, yeah. When your body flow, run. Me let go with the when you pop. Hi mommy, yeah. Walking out stuff, run. Love it when the music comes on. I'm the pepper like this, 1 feet on it. Drop it mommy, run. Let's go straight. In mana, Ilmona ilisa mama Ilmo life ila Ilmo pepa dane Ilmona ilima mama Ilmona ilisa mama Ilmo life ila Ilmo pepa dane It's a party, me a customer Mama me so, me ma candlelight But repeat now stop in a party Nyama choma, kila nyama choma Ilmona kano Johnny Waiter Latona, stove it so Being back and Johnny Waiter Latona ni somebody kwa Dripping now stop, we are dripping Dripping, we are dripping now stop In a bottle, baby girl, we are dripping Dripping now stop, dripping Ilmona ilisa mama Ilmo life idane Ilmo pepa dane Ilmona ilima mama Ilmona ilisa mama Ilmo life idane Ilmo pepa dane Ilmona ilima mama Ilmona ilisa mama Ilmo life idane Ilmo pepa dane
Thank you so much, thank you so much, thank you so much. Kilua ni Tazo. Kondo chingere da. Yes, Zaya. Thank you so much, Tazo. All right, then. Right about now, I will go one meeting artist, okay? Yes, I will go one surprising artist, okay? Yeah, I didn't want to get balance. You gotta go. Ladies and gentlemen, this guy has been pulling hits after hits, especially during the lockdown, and we are here today to make sure we dance to his song live. All right? Are we good to go? Let's welcome He did down to his steady. He did down to his steady. When Arami, because Fat Culture has been in the system, he has been a comedian, he has been a dancer, he has been everything. He has been a radio presenter. He knows what it means to do MDD. Come on, go. Yes, I am. Fat Culture. Go do this Fat Culture, bro. Let's be on stage. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here. Come here. Yeah? Good. I'm gonna leave the microphone to Fat Culture. I want to drop 3 songs. Then you know this. Alright? Let's stay back. We're going to do balance. We're going to do push on the soda. We're going to do Jonathan, Jeba, we're going to do. Are we ready? Can we do a song together now? If I say something, you say Google. Kaya ni meron ng ukoma, meron ng your location. Kaya meron ng ukoma. It's a brand new song from Fat Culture. It's just one day old song. Just Google me. Google me. Kaya naman yan. Shout at them. Everything is kum. Aloha. Kebal and Kebal. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Whatever. No, let us gather not to the little right. Every time you come and look on nice on the side. I want Google to start for us. We want to Google air location big and white. Go. Just
can Facebook me or you can tweet me. You can WhatsApp me. Should I come visit me? You can log in and get me dick. You can log in and get my pay. You can log in and get me dick.
Get this right. It's an easy one. We are going to Google, yeah? Yes, let's Google like that. Very nice one. Washington. Fast culture. Just dancing.
Fast culture rhythm.
Just dancing, dancing.
Yeah, in a baby, Julie. Julie, no matter how you the baby, Julie. Julie, no matter how you I heard the drums and the hits sounding so beautiful, so beautiful. Yeah, I'm out there to the hero thing. I'm gonna play what you come on me. I'm gonna play in the arc. Watching Alabama hit to Gandhi. I'll give you my love. My heart that you feel the
It's a party, my throat's culture. Yes, hello. Are you ready? Somebody's not ready.
You know we do this rap money, don't we? Yeah, like man, part culture, passport, don't we do the club, I got some chick showing the love. She got me also. Started digging in my pocket for hard to give me some pocket.
You didn't want to do the chat.
I can take I am the channel video. I'm not a chance straight to the door. I check the when they counter. I let it go and every channel to the tutor. When I wait to move the mother. I got the one and the food and water. I told her
I will the rubber dog. I will the tell me when I'm in the wise. I will do it. Baby, come go. Just come go. Because I never said we are lost. She's the little one that gets on the
Shut up, baby, shut up. Take it one. What are the chingo? Over balance the canway. They come to my bed, you'll show when they can down to the balance and then follow support room. Where is that? All right, today. Aha. What we doing at a chill? This guy has been doing dancing before. Come on, ba? So you you feel like stepping at least ahead. I know, there's my Charlie there. Yeah, so at least you have to step the game. Come on, go. Let's welcome Rolina.
You don't make me crazy. Crazy. You don't make me crazy. Crazy. You don't make me crazy. I am on next scene. The nigga that me left from the yo. Everybody know that you want to get love me like we let them show me love till it's no down. Go down, show me love till my heart say wow. You brought out the best in me. Hey! Yeah. You pulled out this smiling me. All the things I've never knew. Step on the floor and dance to my beat. Step on the floor and when the lights come. Dancing in the house of long style. You go dancing in the house of long. Give me the smile, yo. Crazy, you don't make me crazy. Crazy, you don't make me crazy. Crazy, you don't make me crazy. Crazy, you don't make me crazy.
Over wheels of steel.
Somebody say, oh! Marshall. We have beach, okay? We have beach, but leave full of the DJ down. Then after, we know our guest artist of the night. Alright? DJ down, can you start it? Are you good to go?
Instagram, DJ Don.
Shut. Get him answer, DJ down, get him answer. Shut. Good. MC Ricky Williams, it's people. Yes, sir. DJ down, DJ Kalita, DJ Foos. Yeah. We got to go. Come in the seat.
Sexy, but what she eat from my body like me.
Say it.
Lips. Yeah, my sex appeal is the only way that she breathes. I wanna look into her eyes, I know that she can never get enough of me. Never be one like me. We do it. When I see those increase, I feel the deep in your feet. She says she feeling so good, she got my neck and she whisper me.
You're having that bikini inside, say.
Yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah.
Somebody else say. There ain't no one. What? What did you tell the car? What's it? DJ Don, MC Triple, Ricky B. If decided to leave, love me very well. If you decided to hold me what? Oh my yes, love me very well. I will love you very well. Very well. Hold in peace very well. Pool party, DJ Tumbiza sound, Tumbiza sound. Tumbiza sound, DJ Show some love to DJ Go. Somebody say Nyongwa! Shout DJ Derito! Let's see people fire!
key. So go back, no, no, you delay. When you are sorry, they boy don't cheat. You're not going to win. You're going to like it. In your mind, you say,
DJ down there, go sing what you want. Listen, are you good to go? Another surprise. You want another surprise? Another surprise. You want another surprise? Now I'm deep. I'm going to take a corner and jump over the channel. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing one and only Mr. Camilo. Yes, I just saw DJ. Let's welcome one and only the legendary. Straight away, bounce. Straight away, are we okay? Are we okay? Are we okay? Logo madegi ni gute modegi kwe. Madegi ni gute modegi kwe. Akichere ni gute modegi kwe. Easy lyrical. I never mind them being happy. We do it like a we do high like a rasta. We don't give a damn. Survivor, everybody know ya. Yo, picking back to you straight away. Yo. Yeah, man, are we okay? Time to vibe. Time to vibe. Time to vibe. Yeah. Yeah. Are we okay? Yeah, man. It's so much. Yeah, boy. Give me protection. Music is my medication. I love it when my meditation. Music on the morning. Ameruna Rico, Tukoro Rico, Tuja Kuroko, I do Anaga Turico, Fire Katuri Rico,
I'm not joking. It's not a movie, I'm not acting. You was all over the middle of mathematics. You don't know about me. I'm a little bit about my personality. It's not joking. My soul is full of sincerity. That's why I never know about my activity. Come on. Complete. Send me like a full better. Everybody wants it. Now test it. Yes, sir. I want you to try to play. Yes, sir. Hey, hey. I need you to play the way. I take you to a cheap, you are happiness. Hey, you love her, so that you can't never love her. Slow motion, I think I know. I think I know. Are we okay? Let's do this song for the people. Yeah. This is for listening. Sound good. Hey.
me architect. Can you go down on money, you come with me. Get me by the way, let's go up kitchen. Making things we don't need better. That's why you take that all. Tell me to take that all. What you do, I'm going to take that all. You're going to take that all. You're going to take that all. You know what I'm look down, look down. Look down, look down. Why jump on? Look down, look down. Look down. Why put me down? Look down.
Thanks for laughing at my own music. Thanks for supporting Junior.